Walk through many local communities in Uganda, and you'll see chickens scratching the soil for insects. While this free-range life is common, these birds are capable of functioning as high-speed biological factories. To see how they work, imagine putting a goat and a chicken in the same field of tough pasture grass. The goat will graze and grow fat, but the chicken will eventually starve. This happens because the goat is a ruminant with a massive four-chambered stomach built to break down thick plant fibers. The chicken is a non-ruminant. Its digestive tract is smaller and simpler, following a single path that cannot process tough roughage. Because of this anatomical difference, a chicken cannot graze like a cow or a goat. For a commercial farmer, success depends on matching the feed strategy directly to the bird's internal biology. Chickens face a specific mechanical challenge. They have to rapidly digest hard grains and seeds, but they don't have any teeth to chew them. This anatomical map shows how they solve that problem. When a chicken swallows food, it first enters a storage pouch called the crop, where the dry grains sit and soften. From there, the softened food moves into the proventriculus, or the true stomach. This is where the bird's body mixes the food with digestive chemicals. The food then enters the gizzard. This is a thick, muscular grinding mill. Because the chicken cannot chew, the gizzard muscles contract to grind the food against small swallowed stones. Finally, that crushed food passes into the intestines, where the nutrients are quickly absorbed into the body to fuel the bird's growth. Since this system is fast and relies on internal grinding, a commercial flock requires nutrient-dense, easily digestible feed to maximize the farm's output. Understanding how a chicken digests food helps us select the right materials to fuel them. In Uganda, farmers can use several high-quality local ingredients to meet these needs. These baskets show the three essentials. Maize bran provides the energy, while dried silverfish, or mukene, provides the high protein needed for the birds to put on weight. We also add crushed oyster shells. Because chickens produce so many eggs and grow so quickly, they require high levels of calcium for bone strength and eggshell quality. The exact mix depends on the market. A farmer might choose broilers for meat production or layers for a daily supply of eggs, and each breed requires a slightly different balance of these nutrients. When you pair the right nutritional mix with the correct breed, you can turn basic local grains into a profitable commodity in just a few weeks. While these biological machines are efficient, they are also fragile. High-performing flocks require specialized housing to stay healthy and productive. This diagram shows the deep litter system. Fresh air enters through wire mesh walls, moves across a floor of dry wood shavings, and carries harmful ammonia gas out the other side. If the litter gets wet or the air stops moving, parasites like coccidiosis can multiply in the damp floor. These microscopic threats can spread through an entire flock in days. Farmers also face viral threats like Newcastle disease. Unlike bacterial infections, Newcastle has no cure once a bird is infected. Because these risks are so high, successful farmers don't wait for birds to get sick. They rely on strict hygiene, dry housing, and a precise vaccination schedule to protect their investment. The final step is moving from rearing to marketing. This involves processing the birds hygienically and finding reliable buyers in local markets, schools, or hotels. Profitability comes from three areas: mastering the non-ruminant diet, maintaining sanitary housing, and sticking to a vaccination plan. Scavenging around the compound is enough for a bird to survive, but scientific management is what creates a consistent, fast-paced business. A commercial chicken is a precision biological machine. By applying the science of nutrition and disease prevention to your daily farm management, you turn day-old chicks into a consistent source of protein and profit for your community.